Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions for week 4 assignment of Art of C programming course. So hope everyone is fine. Let's get into the video. Before that, I want to say that please watch the video till the end, because if I make any changes in between the video, you may not able to note those changes. So do watch the full video for better understanding. So here they're asking, write a C program to illustrate different types of input and output functions in C. So I'm going to show you three programs. They're asked for to write a C program, but I have got three programs. So you can write, I think you can write both three programs, or you can choose any one of them. So first of all, I will show you the first one. So friends, the first program we are using getChar and putChar functions. So getChar means input function, putChar is output function. So let's see how we use that. So this is the code. Please note it down. So I will copy it. So first we will use a header file, the main function, and we declare a variable C, and we use printf function, and here getChar function, and again printf, and next putChar function, and next it will return 0 because we are using int main. When we use int along with that main, then we should definitely then we should write return 0. So friends, this is the program. So let's see how it get executed also. So this is the compiler. So I am pasting the program here. So I will, before that, we have to give the input, because we have used getChar function, and they are asking enter a value, and we are saying that it is a character because we are using getChar function. So I am typing the input here, something, any letter it is possible, like G or H, anything, but only single character, because character means only single one. String means multiple characters, so it will be more than one, but here we have to type any integer, I mean any character. Suppose let us type T and click on run button. So if you see that, enter a value, what we have entered, T. So what it got, I mean printf function, you entered the putChar. PutChar means it will display the letter that we have entered. So you entered T. So like this function got executed. So this is one type of usage, and the other one, so this is using getChar and putChar functions. Let's see the other one, the second method. So this is program using gets and puts function. Here gets is input function, puts is output function. So I will show you the code and note it down. So this is the code. So I'm going to copy this. So you can note it down carefully. So I'm going to paste it there and show you how it works. So this is previous one. I am pasting the new one. So here it is. So here we are getting the string gets function. It means it is a input function. It is reading the input. we have to give here a string. Unlike the previous one, there we have given single character, but here we should give string. So not, string means a word or a sentence, collection of characters, collection of single letters, it will become a word. So I am typing here, suppose programming, programming, programming. So here I have given input programming. So let's see what output we'll get. I'm clicking on run button. So actually these are not errors, these are warnings. So here we got the output. I have entered the value programming here. So we got here the puts function. Before that, here printf, you entered, it is displayed here, you can see that you entered, and the value puts of string. So what we have given string programming word, so you entered programming. So this is how it will get executed in case of gets and puts. And the third one I will show you. This is the most used function uh, by C programmers. Programming using scanf and printf. We see mostly this usage only rather than the first two. These are most famous and most significantly used all around the world. So using scanf and printf functions. So let's write it. Guys, you can take screenshot or you can note it down. So I'm going to copy this first of all. Guys, I have shown you three types of functions with clear headings and explanation, but they are asking to write a C program to illustrate different types of input and output functions in C. That means they are asking about one program, I think, uh, so that you can include all the methods in single program, and you can write so that you will get the answers. So I am going to paste it here. I will show you the execution. So here we are giving input both string and a number. How can I tell that? Means here we use percentage s symbol. S means we have to give a string as input, and we should give space, and next we should give integer as an input. The percentage d symbol represents integer input. There it is, uh, it only reads string, and next integer input only. For string the symbol is s, and for integer the symbol is d. So in this input box I am giving any string. Suppose again let's take programming only, programming, or you can take any other word, no problem. Next space, any number you can give. Suppose 5. So programming, and next input is 5. So how should it will be print? You entered programming 5, like that it should get printed. So let's see how it works. I'm clicking on run button. So you can see that enter a value. This printf function has worked for that. And next it is reading programming and 5, that responsibility belongs to this scanf function. And we got the value, you entered programming 5, so that responsibility goes to this printf function. You entered percentage s. Percentage s means the string. the, Guys, remember that it will follow same order when you give this type. If this percentage s belongs to this string str variable, and percentage d belongs to I variable, it means the order in which you have read will be this. You should give definitely the same order here in order to read the values. So we got the output programming and file. So like this you will get practical knowledge if we combinedly use this in a single program. Actually I have used three programs, or you can write in a single program also. So uh, that's the solution for this week 4 assignment. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. If you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment section. So for further more videos like this, please keep supporting our channel. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.